Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you step by step on how you're gonna be doing kinking twist. I've used soft and silky for kinking twist. The size of my braid is medium size, so I'm not just gonna be using one strand of hair. I am going to be using like 1.5 strand of hair. So what I'm doing first is detangle the ends of my extension. When I've detangled the ends of my extension, then I can actually take from the, because I've got two strands, you see, I'm going to divide the other one into two. When I've divided the other one into two, I'm going to make sure it's not tangled up. If it's tangled, I'm just going to use my hand to straighten it out because I can't twist. There's no way I can braid my hair when it's tangled up at all. So I'm just gonna detangle it. So after I've detangled it, now I have my 1.5 extension. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is I'm gonna be braiding now. So what you want to be doing is when you're braiding, you have 5 fingers, but the hand you're going to be making use of is the finger after your thumb, the second and third one. You're going to be using it to divide the extension into 3. So after which you've divided your extension into 3, that's the only time you can plait your hair. So because you can't plait your hair without the extension being plaited into 3, divided into 3. So when you have the divided extension, you are going to use your third finger after your thumb to make sure your finger is going in between the extension, and you will repeat the process into the other hand as well. I'm gonna keep doing this process using my third finger after my thumb. I'm gonna be putting it into my extension up to the point where I have a secured extension into my hair. I'm gonna make sure I am in control of the extension. The extension shouldn't be in control of me. When you are in control of the extension, then you can use those, like that second and third finger, to put it right straight into the extension until that's it. You see that finger, that third finger, the two finger, that's what I'm using to just put right straight into my extension, so that my extension is secured into my hair. I am not even using those two hands, like the other two hands after my after the ends of my thumb. I'm only using the one that is next into my thumb and the third one. So I'm going to keep plaiting, repeating it from hand to hand until when my extension is secured onto my hair. So when my extension is secured onto my hair, I'm gonna keep plaiting like I am braiding, because I'm not just gonna twist straight away. You can do that, but obviously if you don't want to be having like a breaking hair, it's better for you to plait your hair first before you twist it. And if your extension is tangling up, you have to make sure you have detangled it before you actually start twisting. So now when you are twisting, you cannot use 3 extension. The extension is going to be divided into 2. So when your extension is divided into 2, you will now make sure you are twisting and you are not leaving a space into the twist. You will make sure you're twisting both ends together. You will keep twisting up to when you get to the end of your braids. Make sure there is no gap in between at all, because if you have a gap in between, then you will not have a smooth braid, and your twist will not be like, it won't be nice, and it won't last longer, and it won't be tied the way you've actually wanted. So I am twisting and I'm making sure I am just twisting between each other so that there is no space in my braids at all. That's the process I'm just going to continue doing up to the end of my hair. all to the ends of my hair. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I've got a second YouTube channel, Kemi Food and Lifestyle, is on YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are bringing to you like different varieties of food and lifestyle. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.